awesome. Welcome to Gordon Guitar. Georgia Smith here with Try Me. So we have another of these 2-chord songs with 1 string pattern. That's great. And the easiest scenario for us to have these 2 chords as easy as possible will be capo set here on the 4th fret. So let's start this one up, capo on 4th. And the 2 chords we're going to look at is the D minor and A minor. So first, the D minor goes like this. It's the open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the A minor will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So you're gonna switch between these 2 chords, A minor and D minor, and you're gonna do that through the entire song. We also have 1 string pattern. It's a little bit longer, so let's take a look at this one. It starts with the D minor, so let's grab that chord first. So the D minor, and 1 string round goes down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down, like this. Right? So we can start with the first part. It will be down, down, up, clap, down. So down, down, up, clap, down. That's the first part, and then you have a shorter pause there, and then comes down, clap, down. And that's it. And then you start all over again immediately right after the down, clap, down. So 2 rounds goes like this. Alright, so you're gonna play 4 string rounds per chord. So D minor 4, A minor 4, then back again, D minor 4, A4, and like this. So it goes like this. So that is basically Georgia Smith, Try Me. So try this one, and I hope you are satisfied with this tutorial. If you are, please let me know, thumb up and leave a comment. And till next time guys, play tuned.